Had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you.
Welcome back, nail queens. Today's video is a gel polish nail art inspired summer trend, I don't know what video, but also there's going to be a giveaway included in this video. It is sponsored and held by Nail Addict LA. They were kind enough to set up this giveaway. They're going to be giving away 8 gel polishes, so stay tuned to the end of the video because you won't want to miss your chance to enter to win 8 gel polishes. So all the products in today's video are going to be from Nail Addict LA, and if you happen to be the winner of the giveaway, this video will help you in selecting 8 gel polishes that you could possibly get, and maybe you can recreate any of the designs here. This first design is an abstract nail art design, so I'm painting the nail white, 2 coats of that and curing between each coat, and then I'm going to do some like small little swipes or blobs of gel polish. I'm only doing 2 different colors of gel polish here, and when I'm done laying down those 2 colors in the places that I want them to be at, I'm going to cure the nail for 60 seconds.
Why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, honestly I'm open wide.
Once that is cured, I'm going to apply a layer of a matte gel top coat. Nail Addict sells a wonderful matte gel top coat. Once that's applied, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to get into the nail art. So for the nail art, I'm actually going to be using this stamping plate and stamping polishes from Clear Jelly Stamper. They have this abstract stamping plate and it's really awesome. So I'm picking up 3 or 4 different designs. The thing I love about abstract is it's very simple and you can just do practically whatever. So you can see I did like a little leaf here, a circle. I'm about to apply some white dots and then some more dots.
I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Once that is done setting, I applied a matte top coat and cured that for 60 seconds, and this is the final look. What do you think? This next look that I'm doing is going to be a marble swirl, so I'm going to apply 2 layers of this baby pink, and then we're going to get into the marble. In order to do the marble, I need to use a nail art plate like this one here to lay down my colors and then scoop them up. So I'm laying down the baby pink as my foundation and I'm taking several different colors. You can see I'm using white right here. I'm going to also go in with black gel polish and a hot pink gel polish color, and then I'm going to swirl them all together. Using a dotting tool, I'm just going to slowly swirl the gel polishes into each other to mix them to give them a nice, unique design. And when I'm satisfied with how it looks, I'm going to use this Ombré gel brush to scoop up the gel polish and then place it on my nail.
And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end things like we did, I'm sorry.
When I'm placing the gel polish on my nail, I'm kind of just gently letting it down on the nail. I'm not dragging too much, it just easily falls off the brush because the bristles are not really dense because it's an ombre brush. Then when that's done, I just let go and then cure that in my nail lamp for 60 seconds. And then I want to add a little bit of sparkle to it, so I'm going to take a thin liner brush and apply this glitter all around the edges and cure that and then top coat.
For all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to got you by my side. I still see your silhouette.
This nail is going to require the most amount of work out of the bunch. This one is going to be a 3-color ombre, so I'm just painting on the 3 colors from bottom to top. Personally, I think I should have done it from top to bottom. It would have been easier to get in the cuticle area up here. And then I'm going to cure that in my nail lamp for 60 seconds and then reapply it one more time and ombre the colors together. So you can see here that on my second application, I'm just ombreing the colors together with this ombre gel polish brush.
Why don't we go back to your bed?
So the fade isn't completely perfect, but I'm going to obscure that with a matte top coat. I do like matte top coats because I feel like they blur out any imperfections, so you'll be able to see right here how good it looks with a matte top coat. And now we're going to get into the nail art. So I have this black gel polish and a thin liner brush, and we're going to paint a palm tree onto the nail. When I'm working with gel polish to do art designs like this, I do make sure to cure it routinely, just flash cure for about 10 seconds, so the lines that I already created stay still and they don't get smudged if I accidentally touch it with my glove or something. So I am doing small strokes to make the palm tree branches look like actual palm trees, and I'm just going to continue this for the entire tree, and I'll be back.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break, I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, this time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound.
So I'm mostly done here. I'm just going to fill in the center to make it more dense and dark in the center where you won't really be able to see much. So here you can see how I filled it in. And then I'm going to apply a matte top coat to this entire design when I'm done drawing the little bird here, or seagull, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to apply a matte top coat to the nail, and then I'll be done with this design. So here are all 3 designs. I do want to know which of the 3 were your favorite: abstract, marble, or palm tree. And here are all the colors that I used in all the designs today. This one was for the abstract. These colors were used in the marble design. So I also used a white and a sparkly silver in the marble design. And these 3 were used to do the ombre as well as black gel polish. So I'm sure you guys are anxious to get into the giveaway, so the details are going to be posted here. If you are interested in winning 8 gel polishes from Nail Addict, be sure to follow them on Instagram and on Facebook, and leave a comment below with your favorite gel polish color from Nail Addict. That is all. That's all you have to do. Giveaway will end on the 15th, and I'll give the winner the instructions on how to get their winnings. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, give this video a thumbs up if you did, and hit subscribe to stay tuned for more videos.
Sometimes when I'm reasoning about